Working as a freelancer is actually tough, and it's one of the most daunting experiences you can have out there online, trying to make money online. Okay, why is it actually tough? Not because it doesn't work, it actually works and it works very well, but just that most persons, make the mistake of not choosing the right gig, starting off their journey as freelancers. Okay, and whatever thing you do as a freelancer out there online, the first thing to consider is what are the gigs that you can actually be on and get as much prospect as possible, and those are the right gigs that you need to focus on. Okay, and so here we are today with the 9 Fiverr gigs idea, or gigs that you can actually be on and be able to make as much as $5,000 to $7,000 every 2 to 3 months. My name is Francis Eze. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're also welcome. And I will indulge you to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. And I'm all about giving you values and information on how to make good living right from your home and online without having so much experience, or even with your advanced experience. I give you information on how you can make as much money as possible online. So actually, in this video, the 9 Fiverr gig ideas I'm going to present to you, I've actually used, or I'm using 2 or 3 of them at the moment to make as much money as possible on Fiverr. And what is the most important thing trying to make money as a freelancer? Like I said earlier, you need to choose the right gig. And as a freelancer, freelancing is actually very, very important for you. Okay, because it helps you to raise some side money to support your main hustle, or to support some other side hustle, or it can actually help you to make as much money as possible to keep afloat while you work on your bigger goals and your bigger dreams and your bigger aspirations. And the good thing about freelancing is, especially freelancing on Fiverr, is it doesn't require any capital involvement. It doesn't require any monetary involvement upfront. All you just have to do, set up an account with Fiverr, set up your gigs, do your proper SEO and rank very well on the Fiverr platform, and your orders will start coming in. And do your work well so that you get good reviews and get more orders coming in. And in case you are new, or in case the word Fiverr is new to you, what is Fiverr actually? Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services. On Fiverr platform, this is where you get so many freelancers who render so many services, as high as programmers or web development, and as low as not low anyway, but as low as image background removal, like to remove the background of an image and all that. So Fiverr cuts across all freelancing services, and it's actually a very good place to start as someone that wants to make money online. And also, what is Fiverr gig? Let's talk about that. Fiverr gig is just like your personal advertisement page on Fiverr, where you get to describe your gig, the services you offer, the products you can provide, and all that. Is just like your CV on Fiverr. Okay, and what it helps you to do is, when prospects or prospective buyers or potential buyers get on Fiverr, searches for a particular service which they are interested in, and your name pops up, or your gig thumbnail pops up, they go through it. They go through your gig. Okay, this is the service you say you offer. They go through it. What offers do you give? What discounts? What benefits? Why should they use your service instead of using someone else's service? Is your pricing favorable and all that? So that's what Fiverr gig is all about. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop onto the 9 Fiverr gig ideas that can make you as much as $5,000 to $7,000 every 2 to 3 months, or let's say 4 months. Okay, because I was able to do mine in 3 months plus. Okay, so the first one is diet plan. Yeah, it sounds kind of weird, right? But diet plan is actually selling on Fiverr, because all over the world, everybody is tilting and gearing towards living a better life, having a fit lifestyle, propagating towards living a longer and healthier and better life. And at each point in time, thousands of persons come on Fiverr looking for diet plans according to their personal goals and targets. Okay, and at this point they need the diet plan from a dietitian. But the funny thing about rendering this service on Fiverr is you mustn't have to be a dietitian to render this service on Fiverr. Funny enough, most people that are dietitians, they don't even know about Fiverr. They're just focused on looking for a job at the hospitals and all that. So what you have to do as someone that is on Fiverr as a freelancer, all you have to do, create this gig, and when any individual comes to you and that he wants diet plan, chat with the person, try to read up stuff about, it requires, this gig is not what you do with no skill or zero knowledge. Let me make it clear to you. You need some skill, you need to do your research, you need to read. And when the customer or the potential buyer chats you up, from your discussion and chat with him or her, you should be able to know the right diet plan for him or her. And there are so many of them already pre-made and free and out there online. Simply download and give it to the person. Okay, so the next gig idea is social media marketing. Almost everybody's on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. Businesses and companies and individuals want to relate to their potential customers through this means. So offering this service of social media marketing is actually dope and very, very okay. And the demand is increasing all the time because there are new social media platforms emerging all the time, and you could keep creating your gigs on all these new platforms and learn how to do the social media marketing on this platform and get as much prospect or as much potential buyers as possible. Then the next one is product description gig. E-commerce, drop shipping, and everything e-commerce is booming at the moment. Amazon booming, Shopify, so many platforms, even our local Jumia, Gigi, and all that. So many platforms emerge every day in the e-commerce niche, and there are so many individuals who have their 8 to 5 daily jobs, but they still have e-commerce as their side hustle, and all they do is to upload products on this platform and make sales. Those of them that drop ship or that do affiliate marketing upload this product, and when someone places an order, they get it from someone else. For the ones that drop ship and deliver, for the ones that do affiliate marketing, they also put up a link that takes the customer or the potential buyer to the actual place where they will get this product. And this requires uploading products and writing a product description. There are individuals that put out as much as 10 to 15 different products on their maybe personal store or online e-commerce stores. Okay, so and product description is needed all the time, every day. Okay, and the demand keeps growing every now and then. So this is another gig that you can offer and keep making as much money as possible every 2 to 3 months. Okay, then the next one is whiteboard animation or whiteboard video illustration. Okay, so many businesses, so many companies that have services or features or provide certain service or product have need for this video, for this whiteboard animation, for illustration purposes, for demonstration purposes, and all that. Okay, so and these videos, the demand is always high and it keeps increasing because even people that sell products still need this whiteboard animation to illustrate how their products work, or to highlight the features and the benefit of this product to their potential customers. And this is, like I said earlier, this particular gig requires lots of experience. So you have to actually learn how to do video animation in case you don't know. But if you know already, then this is a good gig idea for you to hop into and start making sales as much as possible. Then the next one is astrology. For you to choose this gig, I know it sounds funny because most persons viewing this video may not actually be astrologer and all that, but for you to actually consider this gig or to render this service on Fiverr, that means you have good knowledge about horoscope, you have a deep understanding on how the stars and the planet and their possible effects on human lives, and many more things. Okay, but actually, let me tell you a short story. I think in 2019, I had a friend who was rendering service online or rendering service on Fiverr, and this friend has another friend who renders this service this astrology service. And personally, I know that this guy is not an astrologer and all that. So, but what he does is this: he renders this service on Fiverr. You get to speak with him, talk with him, and all that. He tried to understand your problem, understand the angle, your problem or whatever thing you want to achieve is coming from. He tried to profile a solution using astrology understanding and all that, because he reads the moment he started doing this service on Fiverr, he started reading books and stuff about horoscope and all that, and from there he was able to render this service. And that guy was making as much as $5,000 every month, because the people always, they are too, I don't know how they get attached to these kind of explanations which they themselves don't understand. Okay, and he was getting returning customers, and actually his solutions were working for them, because there are some people that will come with case of love, heartbreak and all that. And funny enough, it could just be a simple case of sitting down to analyze what has been going on in your life and trying to find another angle to tackle the problem. But to cut the long story short, this guy was providing services on astrology on Fiverr, and he was making a killing, and he wasn't an astrologer. Okay, so the next one is social media page setup. Just like I mentioned earlier, it's related to social media marketing and social media management. So many businesses want to connect with their potential customers who are everywhere on social media. So businesses keep meeting you to render this service for them. And in most cases, social media page setup is actually a two-in-one gig, because oftentimes when you set this page up very well and provide advice on how they can manage this properly, you end up getting that company or the business or the person to order for the second service, which is social media management. And in this service, they actually, reason with you to manage their social media page and all that. So social media page setup and management is actually a wonderful one on Fiverr. It's a wonderful service to offer, and the demand keeps growing all the time, because different social media platforms keep coming up, keep getting popular. People keep flooding towards that particular social media account, and the old social media platform are still there and they are doing well. So social media marketing and page setup is what that is always in demand. Okay, so buyers will always be there, and this is a gig you would want to offer. The next one is number 7 is email marketing. This is one of the gigs I actually do, which is providing email lists, targeted email lists, email signature, setting up autoresponders, creating email templates, and as well as writing and drafting converting email series or email copies. Very dope niche. This niche was just so soft for me. I was just there cooling off, making my money and enjoying myself. So the next one is infographics. Okay, infographics is just a way of presenting data, in a way that is visually appealing. Okay, this is the concept of compressing the data, presenting it in such a way that on a glance anybody can easily understand what's going on with the information or with the data. Okay, and there are websites where all you just have to do is to input your numbers or your data to give you an infographic outcome. But for you to be able to render this service very well on Fiverr, you need to have good amount of experience on designing infographics and all that. Okay, and this is also businesses had actually adopted this means to process and and render their data and information. So the demand is ever increasing out there. Okay, so infographics service on Fiverr is dope, it's cool, it's good. So that's one of the gig ideas you can actually make as much as $5,000 to $7,000 every 2 to 3 months. Okay, and also it has a high-end value, because infographics looks good to the eye, and you can charge you can just put small pictures and tweaks to it and charge any amount you want, and you see your prospective buyer paying for it and being happy about it. Then the next one, which is the number 9, is virtual assistant. virtual assistant is ever increasing because many businesses, many individuals need virtual assistant to help them in so many in doing so many tasks, something like data entry, research, creating mails, and so many things. So virtual assistant is also one of the gigs that or one of the services that I rendered on Fiverr, and it was actually very good and cool because you get to do so many things. And I love that particular gig because a customer could actually, book your services as a virtual assistant to do a particular work. And once you complete that work and you've done it well, oftentimes the way I got further works or further contracts on Fiverr doing virtual assistant is in most cases I try to strike a good relationship with my customer, with the buyer, or with the business person. Okay. In doing the work they assigned to me, I also try to interact with them, trying to let them know how I'm going to help them better. What other services do they want, or what other tasks do they want me to, help them render, even if it's not within the scope of the one they've already paid for. And in most cases, they feel free, they come up with other tasks, and I let them know that I can do these tasks. And oftentimes, I don't get to charge them upfront. I simply do like 30 or 40% of the tax, even before we have a proper agreement for me to get that tax done. I normally do the first 40% or 30%, send them a draft. With one customer whom I render virtual assistant job to, I can make as much as $500 to $1,000, depending on the various tasks they give, him or her gives me to do. Okay, and one major important thing you need to know about this is you need to also build once you're rendering this service of virtual assistance, you need to build a cordial relationship between your customer or your buyer. Okay, always be proactive. Ask questions. Always ask them how you can help them further to make their project or whatever business they're doing easier for them. Okay, all right. So having said that, just know, let me sound this disclaimer. As a new person or as a newbie, you need some level of experience to start making as much as $5,000 to $7,000 on Fiverr every 2 to 3 months. Okay, it's not, don't see it as if you come on Fiverr, register an account, create your gigs on these 9 gig ideas and start making money immediately. No, you need to first land your first order, and that's where it's actually very, very, very stressful and frustrating, because for you to get your first order on Fiverr is actually very difficult. But I've actually dropped a video on how you can hit that first order on Fiverr without wasting much time. Okay, and also if you are a newbie, or if you're seeing this video at the moment and you're a newbie and you have interest to join the Fiverr platform, or you're already on Fiverr platform, then I also dropped another video where I talked about the 5 Fiverr gigs you can do as a newbie with 0 skill or no experience or knowledge at all. So get onto this video and enjoy yourself and learn more and start making that money as much as possible on Fiverr. Thank you and see you next time.